Hello, I welcome you to a video today. I'll be showing you how to update your Classiera theme through cPanel or control panel. Now, whenever you buy a hosting account, the hosting company gives you login details to your cPanel. So what you need to do to update your Classiera theme through cPanel is to log into your account. So right now, I'm going to log into my account. They have successfully logged in. Then for demonstration purpose, let me go show you how many domains I have on my account. Here it says installations 3. So when I come here, I see all my domains. So this very first one is the one I want to work on. So I go back. So I come back to this my initial page. There are so many things here, but all I need is a file manager. So I click on that to open. Then here I'm going straight to this public cPnel folder. I'm going to click on it, and as it opens, what I'm just trying to do is locate the domain where I want to work on, and in that case, this is the domain I want to work with. So I click on that. Then going down here, I need to go to WP content. I open that. Then here you will see my themes. So I click on the themes folder. Actually, there are two things you can do here. You can either click on the plus sign to open the content, or you click on the folder itself to display the content of the folder on the right hand side. So here, so back to my WordPress dashboard. Now when I locate the appearance and themes, it shows here that I have 3 active themes installed, which is what is still showing here, that I have 3 active themes installed. Now what I want to do now is to update this Classiera to the latest, which I have downloaded on my desktop somewhere in my PC. So I'll just go ahead and upload this latest version which I have here. And to do that, I just click on this upload. Click on select files. Then head over to this folder which I have extracted from the downloaded file. And here is my Classiera theme that I just downloaded. So I'm going to say open. And there it is uploading. I'll get back once the upload is done. So here you can see I have the zipped Classiera file. So what I need to do is to rename the previous Classiera theme so that it doesn't conflict with the new one coming. So I have just added one to that just to change the name. Now it's time to extract the zip file I have uploaded. And the zip file is extracting and is done extracting. So click on close. Click on close. Now after extracting, so I need to visit the home page to see if everything is good. And here's my home page. Everything seems cool. I think I'm happy with what I'm seeing. So right now, this is the previous theme, 4.0, 4.2 rather. But the new one is going to be 4.04. So you can see I have 3 themes. I need to know which one to delete. So I click on theme details. This is 4.2, which is the old one. But let me see, check the other one. And this is the 4.4. So I need to keep this and delete the 4.02. So quickly hop back. Theme details. 4.2, then I'm going to delete this. Now deletion failed. Wow. Let's head back to the cPanel. Now I need to get rid of Classiera 1, which is the 4.02 first. So I right click and say delete. Confirm. Then go back to my dashboard again. Then go back to my themes, reload the page, and there I have just the charting and the 4.04 active. So I need those two in order to have my site running. So I'll quickly do another check to see if everything is fine, because sometimes when everything is not way planned, it could break your site. That is how to actually change your Classiera theme using cPanel. I find it convenient these days. I don't know why. Instead of just going to theme, add new theme, blah 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 stuff. So go through your Classiera options, settings to see if there's anything new so that you can easily activate it, or to see if there's something that's changed. Thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.